Kaufman, Regional Sales Project Manager. We're here today to show a complete plant setup that PWI has just wrapped up for this manufacturer. We installed work platforms as the unit goes side by side through this plant so that they can work on either side, working on the roof, on the sidewalls to accomplish their job. In this factory we also feature fall protection. They need this on top of the units to be tied off for their protection. We also installed mezzanines, which is designed to help store product and prep products as they are needed out on the line to manufacture and assemble each unit. Another neat feature is the VRCs, also referred to as freight elevators. They can pre-assemble products on top of the mezzanines on the upper level, and then they can assemble products, put them on the VRC, and bring them to the lower level and bring them out on the actual manufacturing line where they will be installed. One of the custom designs for this manufacturer is the interlock system. It provides the ability to produce a floor for the unit in a station and then transferring it over and going into the interlock system and carrying the floor out on the main production line with the bridge crane to be installed there. When a customer chooses PWI to do an entire plant setup, there's many benefits that come with that. We engineer everything and we produce and fabricate everything and we install our own product, whatever it takes to get it in the correct location. This helps us to make sure that everything is aligned so that the production line can flow well.